very, very easily. I'm just going to screw the gear knob on a little bit and see what sort of throw it's got. Welcome back to the channels, guys. Something a little bit different today for me. Never normally do spraying and stuff, but thought I'd give the fog light surrounds a spray, get rid of the grey and the silver. These turn out absolutely fantastic. Impressed myself. I'm looking forward to sticking these on. It does look a bit, it's just because you can see behind the holes. I am proper impressed with myself. Right, let's go and stick them on the car. As you can see, all fitted. Looks absolutely stunning, but I'm not happy with the surround. I've cut the holes too short. Okay, so I've plugged the ODB cable in, which runs there to the KES master box. USB cable is then plugged in there and into my laptop. Laptop's fully charged, holds about 8 hours of charge. Go. Now it's asking me where to store it, so I'm going to store it in there. I'm going to name it the same as the ID, but I'm going to call it ECU Original. As you can see, I've got pretty low mileage on mine, not bad for a 2006. So get rid of this manky horrible facelift, pre-facelift cluster, and we'll put the new one in. So I'm just going to start Elm up. What we have there is the original cluster. Pretty horrible, to be honest, and the little pokey thing at the bottom. And I'm replacing it with a facelift cluster, which is completely different. Hopefully will improve the look of the car.